Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to today's tutorial, which will be about Microsoft PowerPoint introduction. Now, Microsoft PowerPoint is part of the Microsoft Office suite, as you have been seeing. We've been going through all of them, went through Word, went through Excel. Yes, so now today I'm going to introduce to you Microsoft PowerPoint. As usual, you know how to open our files. You have your three ways. You have this way. You right click on your cursor and select that new. Then you go to the tab having Microsoft PowerPoint. Your file will be saved on the desktop. Or you can simply go to a file and do the same. But you at this point your file will be saved in the file in the folder. Sorry, your file will be saved in the folder. Or you can decide to press Windows R and then press Power PNT. Yes, that will also open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So basically, we use the PowerPoint presentation to present, as you are hearing the word. What is presentation? Presenting meetings, presenting ideas. If you have like discussions and you have like you want to show your audience. You want to show your audience. Sorry. Let me. Uh, yes, yes, I've got rid of it. And yeah, why is it refusing? After I've got rid of those things. So here, now let me first introduce to you the basics. Yeah, so we have our home tab where you can create a new slide. Home tab, you can create a new slide. You double click. You can create a new slide by simply doing that. Yes, I've got rid of that thing. Sorry, so this presentation, yes. You can add a new slide from here. You can add a title slide depending on the content you want to create. Is the title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title here, depending on the data you want to showcase to your people, your audience. You have to choose the different size. But this one, yes, can is a title slide, you can say. Uh-huh. Tourism. Tourism. Around. So, you can say. You can put your name. Yes, so the rest of the things are basically they are normal things of Word. You can just insert anything, like you can insert photos, you can insert pictures, you can insert shapes, you can insert text boxes, headers, comment section, all of these. Even the tab of home has almost everything, depending on how you want to edit your work. Yes, but one special thing we have is the design tab, transition tab, and animation tab. Yes, these ones are always special to PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. You can change the design of your presentation depending on what you want. You can put anything, any color, depending on the context. The key to your presentation, it has to like help the person understand easily. You have to use illustrations to ease your work, understanding about your work. Just yeah, basically you can just choose anything. You can just choose anything. Then there's the tab of transitions. You can choose your transition, your slides to transit any given way you want. You can use this one, you can use that one. Yes, then there is also animations you can edit how your different titles or your contents will be moved, animating around. You can. Yeah, that is depending on if you want it, because it's also not a problem to leave it out. But yes, then the slideshow usually you just come to sample what what you have done. Yeah, you can just come and sample what you have done. You can say transitions, fill, fill, then you come to slideshow and just yes, just that. It's not so hard. It's just basically normal applications, normal applications in Word, but then these theory, animations, transition, and design are what changes basically. So thank you for sticking with me up to the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. I'll be taking you through master slide. That is my next video to be through taking you through the master slide. Master slide in the PowerPoint still, it's an application of PowerPoint. Yes.